Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Nissan Rogue in neutral. First, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Next, turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Now, press the button on the shift lever and carefully move it to the N position. You should feel a slight click as it engages. This method is straightforward for most situations. If your Rogue loses power, you'll need the manual shift lock release. Locate the small cover near the shift lever, often marked with a key symbol or shift lock. Gently pry it open with a flathead screwdriver. Inside, you'll find a button. Press and hold this button while simultaneously moving the shift lever into neutral. This bypasses the electronic lock, allowing you to move the vehicle. When placing your Nissan Rogue in neutral, always prioritize safety. If you're leaving the vehicle, even for a moment, engage the parking brake to prevent unintended movement. Never leave your vehicle unattended on an incline while it's in neutral. Also, be aware that keeping the ignition in the on position for extended periods without the engine running can drain your battery. If you encounter difficulty shifting into neutral, first ensure you're pressing the brake pedal firmly. Sometimes, insufficient pressure can prevent the shift lock from disengaging. If issues persist, always refer to your Nissan Rogue's owner's manual for model-specific instructions and troubleshooting tips. It provides detailed diagrams and solutions. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.